Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is prepositions but with countries. So I am making this video basis on the request I have received from the French learners that they are getting confused while putting preposition with the countries or the continents, right? So in this session, we are going to solve that queries, right? So let's start. Prepositions we have already discussed in one of our videos. You can check that out. I'll share the link in the description box. So let's start the preposition with the countries. First, to or into, right? To or in. How we'll say to or in for the countries? First of all, countries has been divided into three categories: feminine, masculine, and plural. But how I'll come to know whether the country is feminine or masculine? So there's a general rule in which we say the name of the countries ending with E are feminine, right? Please make a note. The name of the countries ending with E are feminine. For example, And, India; France, France; Chine, China, right? Right? This is a general rule. So, for the countries which are feminine, we put on. For the countries which are masculine, we put O. And for plural countries, we put O. We'll discuss all these with the help of examples. First, let's discuss on. Je vais en Inde. I am going to India. Ending with E, so this is feminine country. Je vais en Inde. I am going to India. Il habite en France. He lives in France. Ending with E, feminine country. Il habite en France. He lives in France. Now, masculine. Est-ce que tu vas au Maroc? Est-ce que tu vas au Maroc? Are you going to Morocco? Masculine country. It's not ending with E. Est-ce que tu vas au Maroc? Are you going to Morocco? Next, vous allez au Canada. Ending with A, so this is not E, this is also masculine. Are you going to Canada? Vous allez au Canada. So we put O with the masculine. Correct? Then coming to third one, which is plural. Elles sont aux États-Unis. États-Unis is plural country, United States. They are in United States. Elles sont aux États-Unis. Elles sont aux États-Unis. Correct? Then, elle veut voyager aux Philippines. Philippines is also plural country. Elle veut voyager aux Philippines. She wants to travel to Philippines. Elle va voyager aux Philippines. I hope this is clear. But as usual, there are exceptions also. So, the countries which are ending with E, but they are not feminine. So, I have mentioned the list here. For example, first country is Belize. So, Le Belize. Le Belize. Cambodia. Le Cambodge. Le Cambodge. Cambodia. Mexico. Le Mexique. Le Mexique. Then Mozambique. Le Mozambique. Le Mozambique. Then Zimbabwe. 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 So these are the exceptions. Instead of ending with E, but they are masculine countries, right? Please make a note here. Then plural countries, for your convenience, I have mentioned some plural countries here. For example, Netherlands, we call it Les Pays-Bas. Les Pays-Bas. Two countries we have already mentioned here, États-Unis and Philippines, United States and Philippines. Now, rest of them are here. Les Pays-Bas, which means Netherlands. Les Seychelles, Les Seychelles, Les Aghav Uni, UAE, United States of Emirates. Les Aghav Uni, UAE, right? Les Aghav Uni. Then Comoros, Les Comores, Comoros. Bahamas, Les Bahamas, which is Bahamas. Les Maldives, the Maldives. Les Maldives. And Les Îles Féroé, which means Faroe Island. So these are the exceptions which are masculine and these are plural country. I hope to and in is clear for the countries. Let's discuss from. So the logic for masculine and feminine for the countries will remain same, which I have discussed in the last slide. So for feminine countries, from we are denoting with the or the apostrophe. For masculine countries, it will be du, and for plural countries, it will be they. Right? The, du, and they. Let's discuss with the help of examples. Je viens de Belgique. Je viens de Belgique. I come from Belgium. Je viens de Belgique. Il vient d'Australie. He comes from Australia. Again, the same rule, ending with E. So these are feminine countries. Il vient d'Australie. Next one for masculine countries. Il arrive du Honduras. He arrives from Honduras. Il arrive du Honduras. Elle vient du Mexique. She comes from Mexico. This is the exception which we have discussed. Elle vient du Mexique. So these both are masculine countries. These are feminine. Now coming to plural. Elles viennent des Seychelles. They come from Seychelles, plural country. Elle est originaire des Pays-Bas, Netherlands. He is originally from Netherlands. Il est originaire des Pays-Bas. I hope these examples and this one is clear. Okay. Let's discuss continents also. So continents, all the continents are ending with E, so they are feminine. Right? Africa, Afrik, Asia, Asie, Australia, Australie, Europe, Europe, North America, Amérique du Nord, South America, Amérique du Sud, and Antarctic. Right? Afrique, Asie, Australie, Europe, Amérique du Nord, Amérique du Sud, Antarctic. Right? I hope this one is clear. So you can use to and from accordingly. Right? Now, what we need to put with cities what we need to put with cities. So we always put a, right? To and from, both. A. Correct? And the for from. I hope this one is clear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.